Hello, my name is LaShondra Lett. Today I will be showing you how to properly load a dishwasher. First, you categorize your dishes. Make sure the plates are with the plates, the cups are with the cups, plasticware and silverware. Make sure all of the dishes are dishwasher safe. Make sure all the excess food are off the plate. Then you open your dishwasher. You pull out the bottom rack. The bottom rack is for the heavier dishes such as your heavy small plates, glass plates, saucers, and you line them up between those racks, giving space between each one. You will also put your pots and pans at the bottom. Turn it face down. Then you get your silverware. You're going to put your spoons heads up in the side designated for the silverware. Put forks heads up. Your knives, you want to flip it over and have the handle facing the top for safety purposes. After you finish loading the bottom, you push it back in. Then you pull out the top row. This is where your plastic cups or Tupperware would go, the lighter objects of your dishes. Give them space also. Make sure they're dishwasher safe. After loading this, you push it back in and get ready to use your detergent to wash the dishes with. You can use liquid detergent or powder detergent. Today we will use the powder detergent. Open this where the powder goes. Fill it up. Close this. And close the top on this. Then you close the dishwasher. Make sure it's locked. You set the timer. And that is all.